Ever wondered about the most powerful element on Earth? It's not something you see every day, but it shapes our world in incredible ways. Let's talk about uranium. Our story begins in the 18th century when a German chemist, Martin Klaproth, discovered a strange, dense mineral. He named it uranium, after the recently discovered planet Uranus. For over 100 years, it was mostly used as a coloring agent, giving glass and ceramics a beautiful yellow-green glow. Nobody knew the secret it was hiding. Then, in 1896, Henry Becquerel accidentally left some uranium salts on a photographic plate in a dark drawer. When he developed the plate, he found a mysterious image. This was the dawn of a new era, the discovery of radioactivity. Scientists like Marie and Pierre Curie jumped on this, realizing uranium was releasing immense energy all on its own. So, what makes uranium so special? It's all in its atoms. Uranium is one of the heaviest naturally occurring elements. Specifically, an isotope called uranium-235 is the star of the show. It has an unstable nucleus that's just waiting to be split. This splitting process is called nuclear fission. Imagine throwing a tiny neutron at a uranium-235 atom. It doesn't just bounce off, it gets absorbed, making the atom so unstable that it splits into two smaller atoms, releasing a few more neutrons and a colossal amount of energy. Those new neutrons can then hit other uranium atoms, creating a chain reaction. This is the principle behind nuclear power plants. Inside a reactor, this chain reaction is carefully controlled. The tremendous heat generated is used to boil water, create steam, and spin turbines to generate electricity. It's a clean energy source because it produces virtually no greenhouse gases. A single uranium fuel pellet, smaller than your fingertip, can produce as much energy as a ton of coal. But this power has a darker side. An uncontrolled chain reaction is the force behind atomic weapons. The devastating bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki during World War II used uranium and plutonium, forever changing the course of history and warfare. It's a sobering reminder of the responsibility that comes with such power. To get this powerful element, we have to mine it from the Earth's crust. It's then milled and processed into a bright yellow powder called yellow cake, which is the first step towards creating nuclear fuel. Of course, handling radioactive material comes with serious risks. Exposure can be harmful, so strict safety protocols are essential in mining, processing, and at power plants. You might have also heard of depleted uranium. This is what's left over after the more radioactive uranium-235 is extracted. It's much less radioactive and is so dense that it's used in things like armor plating and counterweights in airplanes. Uranium truly represents a double-edged sword. It offers a path to clean, abundant energy to power our future. But it also carries the burden of its destructive potential and the challenge of managing radioactive waste safely. Ultimately, the story of uranium is a story about humanity. It's about our quest for knowledge, our search for power, and our ongoing struggle to balance progress with responsibility. Understanding this element is key to making informed decisions about our energy, future, and our collective safety. Thanks for watching. If you found this journey into the atomic world fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the science that shapes our lives. See you next time.